good to see you. LOCTITE going together with IoT, a new era is starting. We have a heritage of 70 years where millions of customers having less sleepless nights because their machines are running smooth. Now, I could talk on and on about this, but you know what? We stop here. We go into the factory and we have a look. Come with me. You know, Henkel has been customer zero for all our LOCTITE Pulse applications. And now we're going downstairs to my favorite place here on the premises, into the factory. Join me. Hey folks. Hi. How are you? Good to see you. This place we know in and out. Let me show you also the processes. Here you saw one of the processes. This is a steam trap. And what we did is actually using our knowledge to sensorize here the inlet and sensorize the outlet, and then we have the Dow device sending the data out into the cloud. With this, we can detect any irregularities that happen at the steam trap. And thanks to the condition monitoring, we can avoid a lot of resource waste. We can improve the cost situation, but probably most important nowadays is have an improvement of sustainability. And this means overall the CO2 footprint of this plant at Henkel will further improve. Now here's a lot of noise. Let us go downstairs. I give you more explanation. What's up? All good?
Yes, all good.
Happy to see you.
See you. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh, I forgot to tell you. This is actually Tim, our plant manager. So he has now much better nights since we have introduced LOCTITE Pulse. Because everything is now on one app. Anytime, from anywhere, he can see his critical assets, and this helps him to sleep better. Safety first, obviously, and this is exactly what LOCTITE Pulse is offering. Now entering here, the Infinity Room is in our Inspiration Center, and we inspire here the customers and join the look into the future. Welcome, very happy to have you here at Henkel. And this is the place we look into the future and talk about our vision. Imagine a world where every drop of LOCTITE is intelligent. That opens a whole new space of added value beyond the bond. But hey, we need to continue. Let's go on. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Now, we're expanding our portfolio of LOCTITE solutions. We have several new products in our pipeline. Now with our LOCTITE Pulse solutions, you can condition monitor remotely, continuously those critical flanges, and with this, we will help our customers to prevent major incidences. Now, let me take you to the lab and show you some of those innovations. This is the place we have the demo of the smart flange. All right, let's go in. Hey guys, how are you? So this is our sensor. It's very easy to install. That's the whole purpose. So you put the sensor into the flange, you bring our LOCTITE tape on it, and then immediately you connect easily also digitally, not only physical, digital. And then you have the fast installation and you have the quick ROI, and all the added values from the seal get multiplied. Michel, we're ready?
Sure.
So, this is when LOCTITE becomes IoT.